Apple TV 4K light blinking? How to fix it? Apple TV 4K light blinking? How to fix it? Apple TV 4K light blinking? If your Apple TV 4K light is blinking or stays solid, it may be the power controller. This can be fixed by simply unplugging the device and reconnecting it. You can also check the temperature of the TV by pressing and holding the menu and right buttons at the same time for about 6 seconds. Then, set the Apple TV into sleep mode. In the event that the problem still persists, try restarting the device and see if the problem continues. If the light does not stay on, the next step is to connect it to another HDMI input. The problem might be caused by the HDMI cable or the USB port. Unplug the cable and reconnect. If this doesn't fix the problem, you can try a different power outlet, but it can be a little time-consuming. Once you've done that, you can then reconnect the Apple TV to the USB port. The first option is to connect your Apple TV to a different power outlet. Then, connect the TV to an HDMI output. This will prevent the Apple TV from crashing or freezing. Once the problem is resolved, you can play movies and television shows on it. Then, connect the HDMI cable to the TV and wait a few minutes. After a few minutes, you'll be able to watch your content on the Apple TV. If the light on your Apple TV is blinking rapidly, it's possible that it's experiencing a hardware problem. If you have an Apple TV that has reached this stage, the first thing you should do is to reconnect the device to the right HDMI input. Alternatively, you can unplug the Apple TV cable and reconnect it with a different one. If you've plugged the device into the wrong source, the computer may overheat. This will lead to the display screen not displaying your content properly. Reconnect the device to the wall. If the Apple TV's screen is still black and you've connected the HDMI cable to your television, you'll need to reconnect the device to the wall. Then, plug the HDMI cable back into your Apple TV. It will be back up and running in no time. Then, try connecting the device to an HDMI port. Then, you can start watching movies. You'll be able to watch all your favorite movies and TV shows. In the meantime, you may be experiencing other issues with your Apple TV. For instance, the light on your Apple TV may be blinking continuously or rapidly. In these cases, it's unable to connect to an HDMI port. You can fix the problem by connecting the device to a different power outlet. If the problem persists, the next step is to purchase a new cable. You should also check your remote control to see if it's receiving commands. If your Apple TV is blinking continuously or intermittently, the device might have overheated. If this happens, it's best to unplug it and let it cool down. Additionally, you should also check the plug for signs of wear. If the power adapter is not wearing down, the LED may be malfunctioning. Then, you can try restarting your Apple TV 4K. There are several ways to resolve this problem. If you don't see any message, the light may be blinking randomly or repeatedly. Regardless of the cause, it's important to ensure that you're connected to the proper HDMI input on your television. If the problem persists, try plugging it into another HDMI port and see if it fixes the issue. If the LEDs don't flash, the device may have overheated and needs to be rebooted. The light on the Apple TV may blink in a random pattern or repeatedly. Sometimes the light may be flashing indicating a message. You should first try resetting your Apple TV and check whether it's still blinking. If this doesn't work, you can unplug it and try again later. However, if it still blinks, you should unplug it again. Once you have done this, you should see your screen's light flashing. Pinterest, Twitter, Reddit, podcast, Apple TV blinking light.